Let's complete today's math DMR together. You'll have quite a few questions that are similar to today's math DMR throughout the week. So grab out a sheet of paper and we'll complete 1 through 5 together. So I'm going to show my other camera. Give me just a second. So the first thing, if you're keeping your math DMRs in a math notebook, make sure you add your name as well as today's date. So the day you'll be completing this math DMR will be October 23rd. Number your paper from 1 to 5. And let's begin with number 1. Place value. I see word form, expanded form, and base 10 blocks. Write the number in standard form. So in word form, this number shows 1,634. In expanded form, 1,000 plus 600 plus 30 plus 4. Base 10 blocks, you can see the 1,000 block, 600s, 3 10s, and 4 1s. So in standard form, we are looking for the digit form or the number form. So 1,600s, so 1,634 is standard form. Number 2, adding large numbers. This week you'll have a set of new numbers to add each day, 5-digit plus 5-digit numbers that will require regrouping or carrying over to the different place values. So let's get started. 16,573 plus 14,924. Make sure you're copying the entire problem onto your DMR and showing your work from there, so I'll know that you are starting with the ones and adding 3 plus 4, that's 7. Move to the tens place, 7 plus 2 equals 9. When I get to the hundreds place, 9 plus 5, that gives me a 2-digit number. So 9 plus 5, 14. So my 4 stays here. My 1 gets regrouped or carried over to the thousands place. So now I have 6 plus 4. Then I have to add this extra 1 up here. So 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 1 more is 11. I'll have to bring the tens place up here to add on to my 10,000s place. So then 1 plus 1 plus 1, 31,497. Question 3, algebraic thinking. Solve for x. That means think of x as your mystery number. 21 plus what equals 26? So x is what we're trying to find out. 21 plus what number equals 26? I can find that out by doing the inverse of the opposite operation. So 26 minus 21 equals 5. So 21 plus 5 equals 26. Does that make sense? Does that make the equation true? If so, x equals 5. Question 4. This week, time conversions. So you can see there's a little chart here for how many days in a year, how many months in a year, how many days in a week, how many hours in a day, minutes in an hour, and seconds in a minute. So the question for today asks, how many hours are there in 2 days? Well, if 1 day is equal to 24 hours, yes, I realize I'm putting that on the wrong number, but that's okay. Then 2 days would be double 24 hours. So I could multiply times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. There are 48 hours in 2 days. Okay, the last question is a little bit small. So I included question 5, the chart down here a little bit bigger. So the question is, the following pie chart shows the students' favorite school activities. So basketball, 20% of the students chose basketball. Tennis, 20% also chose tennis. Chess, 12%. Volleyball, 18%. Football, 20%. And badminton, 10%. The question for today is, what activity was chosen the least? By looking at the pie chart, I can see that the smallest little slice of the pie is here for badminton. Only 10% of the student population chose badminton as their favorite school activity. So, which was chosen the least? That should be top activity in my opinion. So for each day this week, you'll have a different question that involves this pie chart. So make sure you submit your picture, and when you do, don't forget that I'm looking for your name, the date, and a clear picture of your math DMR. Okay, thanks for following along.